Giving advice. Should. We use the word should when something is a good thing or the right thing to do. For example, it's a good movie. You should watch it. Shouldn't. We use shouldn't when something is a bad thing or the wrong thing to do. For example, you always watch TV. You shouldn't watch TV so much. Remember this pattern when making statements with should or shouldn't. Example: you should drink 8 glasses of water every day. You should exercise for 30 minutes every day. You should wash your hands before eating. You should wear a helmet when you are riding a bicycle. You shouldn't drive when you are tired. You shouldn't shout when you are angry. You shouldn't steal from people. You shouldn't be late for work or school. Giving advice.
I'm really hungry.
You should eat something.
Alan hates his job.
He should find a new job.
Jill always feels tired.
She shouldn't go to bed late.
I want to lose weight.
You shouldn't eat junk food. Dialogue. Hi, Mary. I don't feel very healthy and would like to be healthier. Do you have any advice?
Sure. The first thing I can think of is you should eat more vegetables. You shouldn't eat too much junk food or fast food.
That's good advice. I think I can do that. Can you think of anything else?
Well, sleep is very important. You shouldn't go to sleep too late, and you should get 8 hours of sleep every night.
Yes, I agree. I should start going to bed earlier. Do you have any more advice?
Exercise is very important. You should exercise for at least 30 minutes every day. Just walking is okay.
You're right. I shouldn't sit around all day working on the computer. I'll start walking more.
The last thing I can think of is you should drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. And you shouldn't drink too much soda.
Wow, you give such great advice. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Glad I could help. Good luck.